What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today's video, guys, I'm going to go over why I purchased over $90,000 or over 2,500 shares of AMC. So let's get started. Today's video, guys, I'm going to go over why I purchased so many shares of AMC. I'm going to go over what I did with it this week and what I do plan on doing with it in the future. Everybody, I'm pretty sure, is aware of the stock AMC. It is part of a movement. Even though I do believe in the movement, for me particular at this moment, I am looking at this as a stock only. Just an opportunity that I found was a good time to purchase AMC. If you have not been following my video, I did sell out of my Tesla. I had it for about 5 months and I made probably about a little bit over $46,000 on the stock side, plus the option sides that I was doing with selling covered calls. So look here, guys, I purchased 2,550 shares of AMC, average cost of $36.69. This number will fluctuate a little bit because I am selling covered calls midweek. Reason midweek because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are usually, if AMC is going to start to go up, it'll happen in those first 3 days, and usually the next 2 days it'll fall off, if not stay pretty flat. So this might change just slightly here. Like I said, I'm just under 90,000 right now. Today's return is only $7,800. So far I am down a decent amount at $3,642. But I did do covered calls on this. I'll go over that with you guys real fast. So with AMC, Tesla, any type of high volume stock on here, it will get pretty good premiums with it, but obviously you are taking a risk higher than a normal stock. So on the 27th was a Wednesday, midweek, probably around 1-2 o'clock. I did sell covered call at $36 strike price. This was about 50 cents from 36, so it was a little risky. Got a $74.24 premium per contract, 25 contracts. I did end up buying them today because it did fall off pretty good earlier in the morning. So I bought it for $9.32. Profit I made was $1,623. I did it again because it bounced back to about 36.10, and I sold a covered call on this as well as a $37 strike price. I was able to get $40 for this, 25 contracts. I did buy it back because about 10-15 minutes after I did this, it went all the way back down to 25. So I made a quick $375 off of this. And then 2 hours before AMC, the market closed, I did one more. I really thought it was going to bounce back up, even past 37, just how the chart was looking. But it's at $36 strike price, $8 premium. Like I said, this was 2 hours before, so I made a quick $200 in 2 hours just before the market closed. So I made $2,198. So realistically, I'm down maybe about $1,500 on the stock if you subtract the option side with it. So I'll go over the chart with you real fast. So if you've been watching my videos, I've done just about 5 months with Tesla option trades and having the stock itself. I did stumble a little bit with Tesla a couple times, so I only made about $1,500, $2,500 off of the option side, but I did make $44,000 off the stock side. So if you look here, I did sell puts on Tesla on Monday, and it did fall like 50-60 bucks, so I was able to make $3,500 after I sold Tesla, and then right after that I did end up buying AMC. So AMC week 5 I did make $2,198. Average cost is $36.69. So reason I bought it at this particular time, earnings is supposed to be next week, but if you look at AMC, it shows that it's on the 9th. I've been getting a lot of reports that saying it's either on the 1st or the 5th. I can't really get a 100% confirmation on that, but hopefully we'll find out this weekend. So my strategy for next week, and next week only here. So if for some reason nothing happens with AMC for the week from 1 to 5, 11-1, 11-5, I'll end up selling covered calls. If it's at 36 and whatever, 35 or whatever, anything under, I'll sell covered calls at a $37 strike price. Whatever premium that is, I'll just take it and hopefully it gets to 37. If let's say AMC opens up at $37 on Monday, I'll end up selling 10% of what I have stock side. If it opens up at 38, I'll sell 20. If for some reason it pops and it opens at $45, I'll sell 100% of AMC. So if throughout the week it goes up and up and up, I'll sell that percentage also. By the end of the fifth, if it's over $37, I'll sell 100% of AMC and move on to the next stock. Unless I see something with AMC, I probably will actually sell puts on AMC at probably a $36 or $35 strike price. So that's kind of the strategy I have for AMC right now. Doing this best case scenario, if it goes to the $45 range, that could be a quick, $15,000-$20,000. But if it goes and it tears up, I can make 10,000 on average. That would be roughly at the $40 strike price here. But if it does go down anything lower, I'll just be selling covered calls at $37 week after week until it goes up. But when I do sell these covered calls, it still would not be until Wednesday after hours on air. Wednesday probably around 1-2 o'clock. With AMC though, if you look here, you expand this out. Someone did purchase a good amount of shares here. So it had a volume of 1.1 and then it had a volume of 2.03 million shares. The volume total today I think was about 33 million, which is really low. We've been averaging around 37. But if you check out the 3-month here, we need to get into about the 100 plus range. So 100 million range we need to get to see any type of real pop on there. So even though this is 3 months, so it is kind of giving the full day on here if it was up or down. So if we can get, I'll say even 10 million in one day on a pop into 1 hour here, 1 hour increment, I think it'll be a lot better. But for the most part, if you look at the volume, it just really has not been there. If we can get back to this volume here, we'll see a pop. But like I said, with earnings, with all the other stuff that's going on with the market, with the tech all giving out their earnings, with Tesla giving their earnings, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, all of them has kind of taken away from AMC. But for the most part, I'm okay with where AMC is at now. I still think I got it at a pretty decent price, and I'm hoping that on Monday when I wake up, it'll be at $45 or more. So thank you guys for watching. Please definitely hit the like, comment below. Let me know how many shares you guys are holding of AMC, how long you plan on holding it for, or if you have any other stock, then let me know what they are and let me know what you're doing with them. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a wonderful day.